Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Snapchat emojis. So it's pretty simple to change the Snapchat emoji. By emoji, I mean this kind of emoji. Now remember, the emoji over here are different according to different friends and represent different things. So just remember that you won't see the same emoji on every single one. Some emoji represents streak, some emoji represents best friend. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can change this emoji. So to change this emoji, click on your profile picture. After click on your profile picture, click on this gear icon over here. Now before moving forward, be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future video as well, and it helps our channel to grow as well. And let's start the video now. Now watch this video till the end, otherwise you might get confused on how you guys can do it. Now click on the gear icon. Once you click on the gear icon, scroll down until you see customize emojis over here. Click on it. Now as you guys can see, different emojis represent different. So if I want to change my BF's emoji, it's gonna click on it, and then there's gonna be a lot of emoji. You can choose whichever you want. So if I want another emoji for BFs, so I can go for, click on the emoji. After clicking on the emoji, go back. And as you guys can see, my BF's emoji has just changed. So let me go back to see. And as you guys can see, the emoji over here changed. Now there's a lot of variant to it. Let me show you guys again. I can go on Super BFF. I can change it from here to whichever I want, and for mutual best friend. And if you want to reset all this to default, you can just click on reset to default, click on yes, and as you guys can see, these were restored to default setting. Now I can go back over here, and as you guys can see, it's changed to default. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future video. And this much for today. I'll be signing out. See you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.